Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to incorporate or add beautiful AI plugin into PowerPoint Microsoft, okay? So with this one, as you can see, I already have beautiful AI right here. So let me just remove that one so I can teach you how to use and add it up. Before we get started right there, I just want to show you how much it costs, the pricing, to give you a brief knowledge on what you should expect, okay? So this is going to be the price. The starting price for Pro, this is only for individuals, $12 per month, and going up for $4 for team, and so on and so forth for custom plan and enterprise. Now, if you don't want to pay that, you can actually try it for free for 2 weeks. That's the one I tried on my end, and I'll help you try it out. Now let's get started with PowerPoint. So open up your PowerPoint, launch it up, and then click on Insert right here. Since it is an add-ins, click on Get Add-ins right there. Type Beautiful AI from this point on. And then the first result should be this one, the logo right here. Click on Add Section and continue. Wait for it to load. Now, technically, this isn't the one you're gonna see. You're gonna see here sign up or sign in. Click on that one and then just log in your Gmail that you use for Beautiful AI. And then it will automatically go to this end right here, landing page of Add Slide. Now from here, just click on Add Slide right there. And now we're gonna design our slide within Beautiful AI within itself first, and then afterwards, if you're done with Beautiful AI, it will automatically transfer it on PowerPoint. Now from here, it's just basically Canva plus PowerPoint all in one. So design your font here, design your font size right there. It's really up to you guys. The limit here is just your imagination. Trust me on that. So background, let me choose dark or light. Choose the sample title slide, the colorway over here. It's really up to you. Add color again. It's really up to you guys. Please don't quote me on this, but it's really easy to do this one. So choose a template right there. I'm gonna go with this one. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Now upload your fonts. If you don't want the preset fonts, it's really up to you guys. So upload font right there. Click on that now. So these are gonna be the slide from Beautiful AI that I love so much. So these are just the preset templates, which is the most popular ones. You can also search for a slide here. For example, let's just say dandelion. Upload it right there. I think I got it spelled wrong. However, let's just choose the ones right here. So let's go for team members. And then team members or org chart, it's really up to you. I'm gonna go with this one right here. I actually like this one. Now from here, this is a preset template. I can edit it from here however I like. For example, Tina Bold right there. Let's just say Stark Tony. And edit the photo over here. Change the photo. Replace image or remove image right there. And then add another image over here. Okay? Now from there, I think I escaped it. Because that's how you use Beautiful AI. And then just click on Save and Done. It will incorporate it in PowerPoint.